Welcome to James Shee's YouTube channel.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is... Image enhancer is everywhere, I know, but they're not perfect. You got one enhancer that changed your character, another enhancer that the result totally not like the original photo. Even in the year 2026, I cannot find a perfect image enhancer. Until one day I found it by Google. This is the ultimate image or photo enhancer. Personally, I think it's the great of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Artguru. The domain is artguru.ai. The tool is quite perfect. So in today's video, let me dive in this tool and telling you why I found this enhancer is different. Okay, Artguru is famous for enhancer tool. You can enhance almost everything. So if you are a graphic designer or if you are a marketing people, you are handling the product detail page, this tool you definitely should watch to the end. Alright, if you search image enhancer, you can find a lot of the AI tools that claim that they can enhance your photos. But some of them just change your details. And some of them just change the color. You don't recognize even yourself, right? In Artguru, you can keep the consistency of the certain person or the products. And you can make it up to 4K or 8K. If you have a photo from your old memory, you can do that. And if you want to use it in 8K image upscaler for your wallpaper or for your commercial to use, you can do that. You can refresh everything but keep the consistency. This is not an easy level for AI to reach because you need to guess the missing parts of these photos, right? When you're scaling it, this needs a better algorithm. Before Artguru, I just tried so many tools, and to be honest, they're not perfect, and the face is changed or the photo becomes too sharp. This is not what we want. We want to keep the original atmosphere, but just in bigger size. Alright, another painful point of me being an AI content creator is that sometimes the AI videos that we generated, the quality of the video can be very low, right? Sometimes it's just too blurry. But after you generate a video or you have a family videos that's from 10 years ago, you can use Artguru to enhance the quality of your video. You got frame sharpening and noise reduction and noise reduction. And also you can upgrade the video to even 4K quality. Besides, if you are a college student, sometimes you have the material that's from 10 years ago, you can use this tool to upscale even your PDF or your document. That is so dope, right? For scholars, they have to read books or ebooks that from 12 years ago or 10 years ago, the quality is not good, but they need to watch it again and again. With this tool, you can upscale the quality of the materials, which is quite cool. So you can bring professional quality to everyday life, which is good. Well, some works from my early design ages can be improved by this tool, which is good news for me. Alright, so enough for the talking, let's do some demonstration, okay? So first, let's try this photo enhancer. How to use this is quite simple. You just upload the image and do few tweaks, then click the button. Then your photos will transfer from this stage to this. See, not like too sharpened of the pixels, but the keeps original character and higher quality. And it doesn't have to be a photo, and even an illustration can be higher quality. Okay, so let's upload a photo. Remember, you can drag 200 photos at one time. Alright, let's try it out with this blurry photos of me. I just found it in my iPhone. So let's drag here. Okay, with one blink, I already upscaled this random photo of mine up to 4K. So you can zoom in to check the difference. Oh my god, I just saw a random photo. But now it's super clean, super sharp, right? It keeps the original feelings, right? This is just a random sky of my hometown. And after upscale it, you can download it from here and click here, start new. Let's try something. Okay, and I just generated this girl. This is from AI, but the quality is too low. And I want to try to see if Artguru can help us with this photo. Okay, just drag from here. Okay, let's zoom in. Oh my god, you already see the difference, right? This is too crazy, right? And actually you can remove the background even, but now let's try to upscale it to crazier resolution, 8K, okay? Okay, check the label. Now you got yourself 8K photos. Now you got yourself 8K photo. That's so sweet. Let's click here, download it. And let's try to remove the background, okay? Let's click here. Hey, uninstall your Photoshop. Now you're effortless to get rid of the background. And you can click here to check. This is super clean. Even the girl has a very long hair, but this is done nicely. Let's click here, download. Okay, going back. Now we already tried this photo enhancer and upscale to 8K tool. Let's try this restore old photo tool. So ideally, it can help us to restore the old photos to a brand new photo. Remove this dirty marks and just leave the clean photo and restore the original color instead of the yellow by the times. It's so dope. Let's try it out. And in fact, I can find the earliest photo is this one. This is about me at the year of 12. I took it in Photoshop, a real Photoshop, and took me some monies. And it's black and white. I don't know why it's black and white, maybe saving money. Okay, let's try it out. Let's click here. Okay, check out this. So in the corner, in fact, we have this, I don't know what it is, but it's to get rid of it because AI sources might be irrelevant. AI is correct. Oh my god, it's so dope. I love it. Let's click here, download. And actually, I haven't seen myself so clearly, right? Okay. So, to my surprise, the photo enhancer is cool, up to 8K is workable, and restore old photo is very cool. Let's try this video enhancer as well. And I prepared a video for this. This is a video that I just generated, but it's from a long time ago. This is a very old video, so it's so blurry. Let's try it out to see if they can help us to get higher resolution. Okay, let's upload here and let's play. Yeah, very nice, but very blurry and very low quality. Okay, and we can upscale it up to 4K, but let's try this for now. Let's click here, start. Okay, now let's see the difference. Let's click here to play. Actually, you know what? Now you can make a 8K AI generated movie by this. That's so cool. Okay, we can download this as well. And for the PDF enhancer, I mean, this is for a long time to come. And I'm glad that finally I can find one website that can allow me to do that, because I have a dozen of the PDF that's just so very blurry, right? Sometimes you cannot see the details. What is that, right? But with this tool, you can see it's clear. Okay, so I prepared one of my homework, a PDF. Let's drag here and let's click here, start. Okay, our Artguru even enhanced the PDF. Let's check the difference. Oh my god, check out the quality. And now the texts are easier to recognize, right? That's so cool. You can easily find the difference, right? That's so dope. Let's click here to download it. Okay, to sum up, Artguru is my favorite tool when it comes to enhancement. You can enhance a photo, you can enhance the old photo, restore the old photo, you can enhance the video, enhance the PDF, you can remove the background, and it's a perfect tool for a non-designer but want to do designer stuff. Hey, don't forget to check the description of this video. I will leave the link in the description and some of the useful links as well. Don't forget to check it by yourself, alright? Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.